I have Rayon Brijpal. Rayon is in from the Queens, New York area.
Yes, Queens, New York. Queens
Queens, New
Village,
York.
yeah.
Queens Village. Rayon has been here since Friday.
Yes.
He attended and has now completed the Details R Certified Detailer Private License Training Program. So Friday was the business and marketing class. What do you think of that?
Oh, it was awesome, Nick. Training with you, I would say you're one of the best, and
Well, thank you. I
yeah,
appreciate that.
yeah. So I learned there's so much I learned, and I'm thankful for that. I could
So it's
safely.
definitely going to help you get the business started when you go back?
Yes, of course, I would
Sure.
surely say.
Excellent. Now, yesterday, Saturday, that was the exterior training day.
Yeah.
The contact wash, the paint correction, polishing, ceramic coating. What'd you think of that day?
Oh, it was great. The trainers actually enhanced my knowledge, and I'm happy that I came and did the course, and everything went well. And if it wasn't with the good trainers and with you,
Yeah,
it
these
would have
guys
been.
did a great job.
Yes, for sure.
Great
Yeah.
job.
Awesome. Yeah.
What's your biggest takeaway from yesterday's hands-on exterior training, do you think?
Well, I always wanted to use the buffing.
Polishers?
Yes,
Paint
polishers.
correction?
Yes, paint corrections.
Yeah, on this black BMW, I mean, it came in all full of swirls. Both you and John and the trainers did an absolutely amazing job on that.
Yeah.
Definitely increased the value of that vehicle.
Oh yeah.
Build up more confidence for you then?
Yes, of course.
Excellent.
I really enjoy, and I could safely say I'm a detailer now.
So, for sure. So what about today's training? Headlight restoration and the complete interior cleaning, detailing, and also coating.
Right.
You enjoy that today?
Oh yeah, of course. There is so much more I have learned, and if it wasn't come to you, well, then definitely I wouldn't learn. There was so much more to
Sure.
learn, and again, I must say thank to you and the good trainers
They did
as
a
well.
great
too,
job. So you're now more confident whenever you decide to go back and get started.
Yeah, of course.
Excellent. Well, now you are Details R certified and also Jade Ceramic Coating certified.
Right.
Thank you. You're a great student. Did a great job.
Yeah, thank you.
Awesome. Very good.